Monday morning, busy weather Monday for us here, 1 Degree Outside Weather Network. Just a reminder as we deal with the rain, the thunder, the wind that'll be blowing, and the mild temperatures that drop suddenly during the overnight tonight. You can track it all using our app. The hourly page is going to be really helpful. The radar, love it in past plus future mode. See where the showers and storms have been and where they're going to go next. Totally free and 5 stars on the App Store and Google Play. Search the number 1 Degree Outside Weather. Big ideas for the forecast in Noyes Notes. Big puddles this morning, and then expanding potholes. This is the type of rain that you get in the beginning of the spring season. It opens up all the potholes from the areas that have been weakened during plowing and winter treatment. You're going to find that today. Just watch out for that so you don't do damage to the cars. Of course, the DPWs and DOT are going to be all over that as well because they know they're going to be popping up. Embedded thunder comes in for today and tonight. Don't be shocked by that. It's not going to be a lot of it, but there'll be some of it here and there. Strongest wind gusts and the greatest chance for damage happens overnight tonight, right around and after midnight, between about midnight and 2 a.m. for most of us, then sharply colder air. That's a cold front comes in for tomorrow and Wednesday. So today's school day feels like forecast is mild as we get to the midday in the afternoon, starting out cool, but that gets wiped away quickly. The increasing wind out of the south is bringing in that milder air. It's definitely a rain jacket and rain boots day. It is very wet this morning. It'll be very wet all the way through the remainder of the day as well, even if it breaks up a little bit into showers and downpours that are scattered later on. Total amount of rain over the course of today and tonight is going to be about 2 inches on average in a lot of southern New England. The amounts get a little bit less to the north and west, and a little bit less too when you get down toward Nantucket or Chatham. This will be enough to push some of our rivers into minor flood. We're not expecting more than that right now. In Massachusetts, it's the Deerfield River, the Sudbury River, and the Taunton River. Connecticut, it's the Housatonic. Rhode Island, the Pawcatuck, the Patuxent, and the Wood. And in New Hampshire, the Pemigewasset, Saco, and Suncook. If you want to see what that looks like on a map, here you go. The ones that are in orange are those ones that I just mentioned where you may find some minor flooding from a saturated ground, some snowmelt that's still left, and of course, the significant rain that produces runoff as well. Again, less rain means less runoff the farther north you go in New England. In terms of the radar forecast, again, I would use our app all the way through the day to stay on top of it, but notice even by midday, while the slug of morning rain is by us and slowing us down for the morning commute, there still will be scattered downpours, a little bit of embedded thunder possible, and that's the case into the afternoon and early evening as the temperature today rises up to about 60 degrees in a lot of southern New England, but 50s even in the north as well. Look at 9 p.m. It's still freaky mild. I mean, it really is. And we're talking about off and on downpours, rumbles of thunder, and an increasing wind, I'll show you in a minute, that peaks when a cold front arrives during the overnight. Here is that round of downpours, maybe some embedded thunder there as well. Comes through, ends as some snow showers that may turn the road slick a little bit in the Green Mountains. Most of us don't drop below freezing unless you're in far northern or western New England during the overnight tonight. As for the wind, again, it's going to be coming out of the south generally. It's been southeasterly here in the early going, but it'll become southerly. And notice the gusts as we get out through midday today. Okay, 30, 40 miles an hour, starts to pick up at the south coast. Then once we start getting to the evening, around and after dinner time, you're going to hear that. When you go to bed tonight, I would make sure the phone's in the charger or already charged because some of us will lose power. It's not going to be quite like the blizzard was or anything like that in some parts of southeastern Massachusetts. The gusts may still, though, go over 60 miles per hour. You don't have snow load. You're not worried about that. You do have soft ground, and that means that we may find some uproots and trees coming down, things like that here and there. So it's going to be these little pockets of outages that may develop. And then the wind shifts with the cold front. It's breezy tomorrow, but it's not damaging or anything like that. So it really is that midnight to 2 p.m. time frame we're going to keep watch of. You know what we've been doing? I don't know if you've checked it out already. We have our streaming network, and we issue updates on that right on through these storms. So you get real-time updates. It's on your smart TV and the YouTube app. If you have a business, you can leave it on in the office. If you're at home, you can leave it on at home. Go to the YouTube app and search 1 Degree Outside Network, online at 1degreeoutside.live, or in our app right atop the home screen. You'll find the link there. Stay safe. We will keep you posted all through the day at 1 Degree Outside, and especially on that app, the 1 Degree Outside weather app on the App Store and Google Play.
Thanks so much for watching. We hope you enjoyed this 1 Degree Outside video.
Get exclusive content, support the mission at membership.1degreeoutside.com, and don't forget, free and 5 stars on the App Store and Google Play. Search the number 1 Degree Outside weather.